On a tissue level, we also have this ring formation in the tissue that swells up. We have the biological restoration based on the tissue type. Each tissue type reacts slightly different or reacts a lot different. The tissue itself starts swelling up, more edema being stored inside of the tissue. Typical inflammation, redness, eczema reactions could include headaches or dizziness. And in the restoration phase, also the bacteria and the viruses are being activated. So based on the tissue type, it's either cell plus or more cells, more function in the adaptation phase, and thus the reverse, which is cell minus or less function in the restoration phase. Or other types of tissues have cell minus in the adaptation phase, and thus the reverse, cell plus, in the restoration phase. Now pause the video and go back to your personal reactions on a tissue level, on an organic level, on a physical personal reaction. What happened to you in a very specific situation in the restoration phase? Pause the video and do that now.
Now go to free.biocompass.org and get more additional resources, all free.